Today happens to be also Guru Purnima. If I am not wrong, it's a very auspicious day dedicated to the teachers and gurus. Ramakrishnaya himself is a highly spiritually evolved soul. As I see, when I went through his book, I could see the depth of his spiritual endeavor and the vast learning that he has put in of the scriptures of various religions, not only Hinduism, he has gone into Christianity, Buddhism, and he has reached a particular stage of renunciation. When you go through his book, you see in fact I went through the meaning of saga. What is saga? When I saw the dictionary meaning of it, it is the detailed history of the life of a person. That is the saga. Now, he has started with his early life in the book, very difficult days, very, very difficult days. The family had migrated from Kambam. Kambam used to be part of Markapur Taluk in Kurnool district when I was collector Kurnool. Later it became part of Prakasam district. From Kambam the family had moved to Masulipatnam. The early days of Ramakrishnya's parents were quite difficult. It was a struggle for sheer existence. And the way they fought through their life with honesty, with purpose, they could succeed, and now today you see the result of it in the high positions now occupied by all the children of Ramakrishnaya. The feature of Ramakrishnya's service, one of the important, in fact the crowning glory of it is that he has maintained his integrity throughout. Today, the services, whether it is the IAS or the IPS or the Forest Service, all the three being the All India services, have received a beating in the sense that the reputation is low. It is not only the ministers who are corrupt, the officers are also equally corrupt. Of course, there are always exceptions. Today, India requires people like Ramakrishnaya to see that the services come back to their original glory. We are really worried that people who are now, in fact, after the last pay commission, the salaries are fairly good. I wouldn't say they are comparable to private payments, private enterprise, but certainly they are quite enough to lead an ordinary, contented life. But in spite of it, the greed of people make them go in for corrupt practices. Ramakrishnaya was one of those who had gone through his service from the very difficult days of poverty to his success in the service, and still maintained throughout his career high integrity. Integrity in the sense of not only not receiving bribes, but doing his job in a way which can be said to be ideal. I could see from the book, in fact he was good enough to hand over the book to me earlier, that as a young man with the handicap of being a Dalit, he had struggled very hard, went from, in those days the Harijan hostels were there. When I entered service, subsidized hostels were there. Later on they became wholly government hostels. The subsidized hostels were run in the early days by political leaders who had fought for the freedom of the country Many of them were good people, but some of them were also indulging in bad practices. We used to inspect those hostels regularly to see whether they are being run properly or not. But they are not ideal places for study. Still, Ramakrishnaya struggled hard in Machilipatnam, went through those difficult days and came out successfully not only in his academics but also in sports. He was a top sportsman in the high school days. Later on, he won twice the championship of Andhra University. In fact, in that Andhra University sports field, whether it was 100 meters, 200 meters, long jump or high jump, he succeeded in beating all his competitors. And he had continued his interest in sports. Fortunately or unfortunately, he was also given the portfolio of sports when he was in the secretariat, which he didn't like. In fact, he was a bit worried that repeatedly he was being offered the sports portfolio. Like a good sportsman, he has always taken things sportively. His service throughout, whether he as a sub-collector, joint collector, collector, later secretary, head of the department, was marked by high integrity and efficiency.